At Fuyi, we have our own Myanmar factory dedicated to making our medical scrubs. How our medical scrubs are made. First things first is the fabric cutting. Now it's printing and cutting the sample. The first process of the fabric cutting is a rough cutting process, which usually takes about 3 people to do. Now we have 2 people pulling and cutting the fabric simultaneously, while 1 person is also controlling the roll. To be efficient, workers cut dozens of pieces together by the cutting machine. Don't worry, it's quite safe. Second, we move on to the stitching. It's mostly about stitching fabric cut parts together. Scrubs making is relatively simple. Sometimes there are 6-part cuts, but it's more comfortable and safe, which the fabric matters. However, we do produce some complex scrubs, like the Vil and June set which we brought out recently. Of course, stitching also includes pockets, accessories, buttons, of the like. Now after this is done, we move on to our third and most important part, which is the ironing. Now the ironing is my favourite part. Ironing out the wrinkles, just like throwing away all those bad emotions and bad luck. Feels very smooth and is really good for curing the OCD. On our 4th step, we move on to quality inspection. Now this is also a very important part of the making of the scrubs. QC staff check every scrubs uniform from top to bottom. If we have any problem at all, the medical scrubs are sent back, redone or refitted. Now we move on to our 5th step, which is tagging. A scrub will be tagged only if it passes through quality check. Now if the quality check doesn't go through, then there's no tagging at all done. Last but not least is our 6th step, which is packing. Finally, the scrubs are packed and sent to the warehouse. Now once you're in the warehouse, the ready to ship to you guys. Okay, so today I've gone through some of the major steps of the scrub making process and also how we get the scrubs out to you. Now as you can see, making a scrub is not just a one-man person job. Behind it, every medical scrub, everything that we make, there's a big team supporting it. Okay guys, thank you for watching me today.